Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what you need to do before the very update part 2 in Grow a Garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined Grow a Garden game, and the first thing you're going to do is earning the enchanted egg as much as you can, because there will be new chest, and I think if we want to get the new chest, we need to craft the new chest with enchanted egg, just like the previous update. We can get the skyroot chest after crafting the skyroot chest with enchanted egg. So here you can collect the enchanted egg as much as you can to craft the new chest, and you can also earn the enchanted seed pack as much as you can, because for the crafting I think it will need enchanted seed pack as well. So when you need to choose the rewards here, I recommend you to choose enchanted seed pack and also enchanted egg. Okay, and then of course you need to get the glimmering mutation on your garden. So when the required fruits appear here, you can immediately over your fruits or your plants to the fountain power. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.